right, ladies and gentlemen, today is an absolutely fantastic day. If you are not aware, Ridge has teamed up with professional teams for the logos being able to be on their wallets. So this is the Denver Broncos Ridge carbon fiber wallet. But again, Ridge has many different styles and colors. But this will be the same design as their other wallets. So let's go ahead and get this out here and take a little look-see with it. We got a little Ridge sticker right on the top. We got a little NFL, little manual right there. Let's get that out of the way for a second. And let's take a look at that beaut of a wallet right there. All right, let's get that out. We have additional screws, as well as a little screwdriver right here, and additional screws for your wallet. We'll put that back in there for right now. And they do have some fake little cards in here right now we'll get out. Let's get that out of the way. And this is our carbon fiber Denver Broncos Ridge wallet. That is raised just a little bit with beautiful carbon fiber, black screws, Ridge logo, Ridge carbon, it says in white right there. Coming around, again, this is the cash strap with the cash strap right here. And if you weren't aware, they have little grooves on the bottom to hold your cash in right there. Our logo on the back, nylon band, and carbon fiber all the way around the back here. In the middle, this is where it expands. It's just kind of a gloss black on both sides and kind of a little bit slippery, so it's easier to get your cards out and folds shut right there. Now this wallet can hold 1 to 12 cards, RFID-blocking technology, as well backed by a lifetime guarantee. And before we get further into the video, below the video you're going to see pictures of Ridge wallets right here. You just click on those links if you're interested and want to learn more about it or buy one yourself. Again, they're pictures of shoppable Ridge wallets and gear right below the video here. Click on those links and purchase on away. All right, I got 7 cards, and one is a very thick steel Crypto.com card. And let's go ahead and put a little cash back here as well. Okay, so I just have it in thirds tucked underneath there. And then we have our little thumb manual push button is what I use. I mean, you can use any finger if you want to, but for the easiest thing that I do is go like this, push it up, and then I lift it up just a little bit more. Most use card on the front or on the back, using the backing of that one to put it back in is the easiest thing to do there, or the most used card on the back, which is the easiest thing, or you can lift them all out, distribute through them, etc. But I just find it easier to use the most used card on the back or on the front, just like that there. And again, we got a lot more room in there. You can, again, put up to 12 cards. I have 7 cards in there right now, and one of those is my really thick Crypto.com steel card. Overall, really cool design. Their design and colors are really cool. Again, you got your cash strap, which, to be honest with you, not the easiest thing to bring in and out, but if you really need your cash, because you just kind of have to slip it in there. If you do pull this thing out all the time, it might be easier just to shove some cash like in your cards like that. And then that way it's freed. You could even unscrew that, pull off the cash band. They do have money clips as well for an accessory. And that is a nylon band right there as well. But as you can see there now, the cash is in between the cards. You can't even see it. If you laid that on a table or something like that, no one's going to swipe your wallet. They wouldn't even know what that is. So that is the Ridge Denver Broncos carbon fiber wallet. Again, right below the video, check out your shoppable links. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, tech-related videos, DIY house projects, and more. Your links are below. We'll see you on the next video. My name's Chris.